Morning, grade 9. In previous video we have seen till 6th question. Now let's go for simplify. Now see, this is your first problem. I am writing 4 upon 7. Now you have to think 147 can be split up into which two numbers, out of which one should be perfect square. So we know, looking at the numbers itself, 147 is nothing but 49 into 3. See, no, 49 into 3. If you multiply this, you will come to know it's 147. Why I have chosen these two? 49 is perfect square. Plus 3 upon 8, square root of 192. Again find 192's factor such that 1 is perfect square. So it is 64 into 3. Okay, 192 minus 1 upon 5. This is very easy, 25 into 3. 25 into 3 is 75. See, one among this is a perfect square. So let us take it out. So what we have? 4 upon 7 into root of 49 is 7 and root 3 remains as it is. Plus 3 upon 8 into 8. Square root of 64 is 8 into 3 minus 1 upon 5 into 5. Square root of 25 is 5 into root 3 remains. Okay. See, here I have put multiplication sign. Here I have not put, because nothing is there means it is, but obvious it is multiplication. Now see, this 7 and this 7 gets cut off, 8 gets cut off, 5 gets cut off. So what are we left with? First term will be 4 root 3. Then you have plus 3 root 3 minus you have 1 root 3. Okay. All of these are like surds. What's the reason? Radicand as well as order is same. So you can take root 3 out. And what will remain inside? 4 plus 3 minus 1. Up till here, is it clear? Okay. So we have root 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So your answer is 6 root 3. Is this clear? Okay. Let's go for another problem. Pause and take down all the steps. Now look at second problem, students. 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 1 by root 3. 27 is 9 into 3. Root 9 is 3. So what at the end you get? 5 root 3 plus 2 3s are 6 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. These are like surds. 5 plus 6 is 11 root 3. Now this you can't add. So what I want to convert? I want to convert this in form of root 3. So what I am going to do? Multiply numerator as well as denominator by root 3. If you multiply with same number, denominator and numerator, the number remains unaffected. But we are getting in terms of root 3. See now, this is equal to 11 root 3 plus 1 into root 3 is root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 upon root 3 into root 3, 1 upon 3 into root 3. So this I can write as 11 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 root 3. Now these two are like surds, this can be added. So root 3 I am taking out, and inside what it will remain? 11 plus 1 upon 3. Now you can cross multiply this. 11 is 11 upon 1. So this is 3 into 11 is 33. 1 into 1 is 1. This is plus sign. In between is plus sign. Upon 1 into 3 is 3. The whole root 3. So this will be equal to 33 plus 1 is 34. So you get 34 upon 3 root 3. Is this clear? Okay. Let's go for another problem. Let's go to the third problem. Root 216 minus 5 root 6 plus square root of 294 minus 3 upon root 6. Students, one more hint is given in the problem. Everywhere you should be having root 6. So split this number into such a way that one number is 6 and another will be automatically perfect square. Now looking at 216, we know it's a cube of 6. So I can immediately write 36 into 6. This will be square of 6. 294, 6 into 49. Why 6? Because everywhere root 6 is there. So root 6 is going to remain as it is. We have seen in earlier problem, if in denominator it is root 6 or surd or irrational number, multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. So here you get 6. 49 square root, so 7 is out. 5 root 6 as it is, 36, 6 is out. Up till here, is it clear? Now let's go ahead. See, 3 upon 6 is 3 ones are and 3 twos are. Okay. Root 6 into 6 is 6. Here you have 6 root 6 minus 5 root 6 plus 7 root 6. Consider these three terms. They are like surds because their order is 2 and their radicand is 6. So this can be added or subtracted. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 1 plus 7 is 8. So this 3 I am writing it as 8 root 6. What remains is minus 1 upon 2 root 6. Now these two are also like surds. They have root 6 common. So root 6 is out and what remains? 8 minus 1 by 2. 8 can be written as 8 upon 1 and now cross multiply. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 into 1 is 1 upon 1 into 2 is 2 in bracket root 6. What is 16 minus 1? 15. So you have 15 root 6 upon 2. This is your final answer. Is it clear? Let's go for the fourth problem. Now see students, among 7th question which is simplify, 4th and 5th question is reduced from your syllabus. So we are going for the 8th problem now. That is rationalize the denominator. Now see, rationalizing denominator, we know this is only a monomial. Only one number is there. So with same number if you multiply, you are going to convert root 5 into root 5 is 5. So this was irrational. Now it has become rational. So rationalizing factor over here is root 5. We have solved this problem earlier. Alright, so I am going quickly. Now see, 2 upon 3 root 7. This should be multiplied by root 7 up and down. So what you have? 2 root 7 upon 3. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. So denominator you get 21. Initially it was this. Now it was irrational. Now it is rational. So we have rationalized the denominator. Okay. Now third problem, let's go. I hope this you have understood. At the end you are getting root 5 upon 5. Initially was root 5. Now you have only 5. So we have rationalized the denominator. Now see students, in this case to rationalize the denominator, you can see denominator is a binomial surd. So in case of binomial surd, do you remember we have to multiply with a conjugate pair. So what is the conjugate pair? Conjugate pair of root 3 minus root 2 is nothing but root 3 plus root 2. That is the conjugate pair. So it is root 3 plus root 2. You are going to multiply with this numerator and denominator both. Minus root 2. So this is into root 3 plus root 2 upon, here it will be root 3 plus root 2. Okay. Up you will get only root 3 plus root 2 upon a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So your a is root 3 square minus your b is root 2 square. Okay. So what you have? You have root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. Are you getting? So this is equal to root 3 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2 is 1. Anything upon 1 is the same number. So what is your final answer? It will be root 3 plus root 2. Is it clear everybody? Okay. So last two problems again from this, that is 4th and 5th, is reduced from your syllabus this year. So we'll stop here students. That's all from my side today. Thank you.